I will show you what to do if the search bar does not work in Windows 10. You can see that the search bar of the text bar is not working. You can also see that the search bar of the folder is not working. So, let's get started. First of all, download everything search software. To download, go to the link given in the description box. Type ctfmon.exe. Select the market file. Right click on the file. Click on the copy. Go to your desktop. Right click on the desktop. Click on the paste shortcut. Then press the Windows key plus R key from the keyboard. Type shell:startup. Click on the OK button. Right click on the ctfmon.exe file on the desktop. Click on the copy. Then click the right button inside the startup folder. Click on paste. It's all over. Now restart your computer. Look at your Windows 10. Search bar is working. Thanks for watching the video.